I can't bother every time I just do lady friend. You know them really?
So yeah, you're lonely now, like me and you.
I mean, I have a lover for half of that loneliness.
So you want a lover for love half?
I used to not feel if I lover for love half right there to man do my dental and all that.
But then you
stuff,
sew their teeth?
Yeah, I know.
So your
My personality
So-
go down.
So your
More,
teeth,
see that my
well,
personality, man.
so your teeth make.
I mean, I said there's something for cut. The surgery.
Yeah, me know, but me say your
That's
teeth
two
make.
things that me
Are your teeth you wait and forget one woman?
No, that's two things on the surgery. Remember the surgery?
Yeah, I remember.
That's two things. And, well, what do you think? Long story, you know.
But you have me, you know, for feel.
Yeah, that's why I don't really want to go deal with another woman. I better me just keep as a lady friend and we can be dream lover. At least dream lover. Because you say you have a boyfriend and you say you have two men.
So that's true, I have my boyfriend.
So a dream lover thing.
So,
Yeah, you know, tell
so you really want that with me?
Something really tell you something. See, my love.
Yeah.
Anytime me I love somebody, I love have somebody more intimate.
Yeah.
But that's why I know say just me alone. Same so you say too.
Yeah.
Same so you say.
I don't like be all
Yeah,
around
February.
the
But mean say intimate love her.
Yeah. I
same
like
thing
have
you
one
see-
partner at a time.
Yeah. That's why I just chill. I just go and do the practical.
So you want to be in a relationship with me?
I don't want to tell you that, you know. Because when I like to tell you that, I go take you to heart and mash up your relationship. And you're younger than me. And I like you to be in a nice relationship where you're happy ever after. Because I'm selfish of me. Yeah, mash up your relationship. You understand I'm a two-time age. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Selfish.
You
I
selfish?
mean, the run is the love that selfish love because me have kids already. Never have grandchildren and great grandchildren. And you not have nobody. So you understand? You understand what I say to you?
Yeah.
That don't really look right. That's the sight of God. Unless, I mean, talk about God.
But for God put
But who don't want it to happen? You want it because you're young and you have a nice boyfriend and you're married and you're second and you're friends here, really, I'm a lady friend. But who don't want to come between your marriage and between your happiness and your kids them. That really look selfish, I couldn't live with that. You don't have to, boy, I don't know, I need not to let you lose it.
I love him.
Okay, yeah, I
love him.
Yeah, I like him too. I told me at him, I think the boy I'm sure just make you happy because he's a loving person. He's a nice loving person, because better me I tell you. And a whole heap of you there in this world. Like you, where it's a loving. It's a loving and kind and honest and everything. There's not a whole heap of you there. I tell you, not a whole lot of you. You take 22 years, I think I find somebody like you.
How much years?
22 years, I live over there. 22 years, I'm a deal with both my sons going to live over there. One, two. How many men? Sherika, Pinky, that's two. And Pink three girls, I live over there. They're 22 years. Remember no one of them, three. And them younger. Pinky no young. Pinky about 2 years older than Pinky, and Pinky still gone. Children them say. A church if I go and a man she fit up and then my mind so Pinky have more match me because I'm just 2 years older than Pinky, you know. And then you take a stop. Pinky come again and she have about 10 people in the last one. I mean I ride around her and all them they look like same. She does a deal with a little team. She's not really in love. Every time I amongst Pinky, she have a man on the side. I tell you something. The real love is a Barbie love. Remember me tell you? A Barbie?
Yeah.
Love. The one that come from God. You can say you love somebody. And God say they love each other. And they not cheap each other. Them love they will last. Them love they hard to find, better than that. Really hard to find. They are Barbie love. The rest of my infatuation and lust and all kind of stuff. I deal with them, but I don't really pre them and keep them. I can't bother with them. And if God see the person who you love, will love you, mom, it never working. Because you're a loving person, you love God, right?
Yeah.
And the person that cheat on you, the person you have, and you don't love you, that is not going to work, because God is going to pull it up. No, we'll make something happen. Mysterious. Why true love hard to find, you know, man? Miss right hard to find, you know. And Miss right, you know. Them hard to find, Bella.
You think so?
What do you mean?
But I think you're not supposed to search for love.
You have to search.
Man, you have to search.
You have to search. You can't just run going find it in your body.
My thing is if you just make things flow.
Yeah, make it flow, yeah, but you can't just go entertain to say, go party and dance to find a lover to you. Party and dance can't just lock up in your house. Party and dance and entertainment out and find a lover.
Yeah, but you know, a relationship don't easy, you know that, right?
Yeah, love not.
You gotta have ups and downs.
Yeah, I know.
So when it's time to be happy, something gonna come around.
Not about true love, no. Not about true love, no.
So all you know somebody is the one.
You will know where true love.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, you know, man, because we sleep together on our internet together.
But I can't sleep with the enemy for years. So that's why I know.
That infatuation love that thing.
Yeah, but me say, you know, it's true love.
You feel it, because I say God is love too.
I never had me the pun.
God is love, you know. God is love, you know.
But this minute I feel like you love that person and the next minute you love that person and the next minute you love that person and the next
love them. Can you make with it, you know? Love and jealousy, you know.
Should I sum about the place?
Yeah, she has I'll tell you something, you know. Well, love come like a gamble to you, know.
I know that.
Come like a gamble to you, because you did it. Every day, 1 year older, you know, meet nobody, I have nobody. You take a chance. That means you're going to I love every day. Love infatuation.
I know that.
Because you know, say, I gamble with my love.
So why gamble? Why gamble?
Because I go up in a age and I might say them have children.
But then I think say you should have one woman right now.
Financial problem cause it to finance.
I think say you should have a woman by your side living with.
Them in a child? When I come over there, so
and I hear the problem.
No, finance. Finance and them younger. You have the jacket. Well, I'll leave it to them.
No man, I put the jacket in the car. Oh. Come here now.
Financial problem. What do you mean? My dreams go home?
Jerry, I know some of the life, you know. Just wanna keep quiet. At Airbnb, me this, I have to wait to go up and to get something properly to eat.
Let's watch out.
Jerry want tea. How much did Jerry get?
I look something for smoking, because I get sleep. I was looking for something for sleep.
That's the thing I stand talk to me and you reason with me and I like it.
I don't reason about it, I say love is hard.
At that video, you see when you start up on something like you try for hide feelings.
I don't have no feelings.
Like you're going in a mood a while ago, you say, why the hell me there? Well, I know, you're in a mood right now, you say,
assume.
Why me there in a mood?
Do not assume love. Love comes from God. You can't assume.
Well, no.
I remember saying, we're not perfect, right? Only
no
imperfect.
one is perfect.
So, you're
but not because we're not perfect, we are going to do things. We can.
No,
not
you can't control yourself.
Hold on, not because we say we're not perfect. We are going to always use that as an excuse. Bam, you go out, they go cheat. Remember, say I'm not perfect, you know, me can't cheat. Me go out, they go cheat. Remember, say I'm not perfect, so we just use that as. Woman cheat with feelings.
Yeah, man. Aye.
Woman cheat with feelings.
I know,
man
say all them thoughts and these way I talk. But I try to keep them, you know, because them stressing, you know.
What's stressing?
Stressing, woman cheat with feeling. You know, sometimes I just leave love alone, you know. I just leave and I deal with
but if everybody for leave love, Jerome, what you
the
think
real
will
love
happen?
not talk, man. The real one.
But
man.
everybody have to love someone. So if you get heartbreak, move on. But I think if you heal first, sorry about that, it must heal.
Heal?
And then move on, find somebody. I don't think say not because somebody break. Hold on.
Maybe them healing.
Hold on. Many things that you somebody break your heart, you go style for the next person who are coming in your life. I think say you need to heal. And when you do heal, you know your worth, you know your value. And you just move forward to that. And just don't stand for less. So if some
love the right.
Hold on.
Love impressionist.
Yeah, so
But I tell you something, but I say the real true love.
I think a woman supposed to know her worth. See, man, if a woman cheat on a man find out. A man find out. A man
22nd of the month, yeah, I understand. My birthday, Sajik people, them are the best. Gemini and Sajik go good well, real bad.
December, man.
No.
Capricorn.
Capricorn man, them corrupt.
Man. Hey, them afraid to forget them things, you know.
Capricorn. They mean, you know?
November man, them mean. If them like you, them take care of you. Somebody say that. Them lie bad for true.
Who lie?
Sagittarius man, them lie.
Me girl them sneaking.
Love man.
Me girl them sneaking.
Me not lie, no offense, but Scorpio people.
What's Scorpio again?
Feel the first part of November to the last part of October.
Such people them have two faces. They make us so and go so.
Yeah, sometimes on pussies, that's how they with pussy as souls.
Don't have a fake.
But
fake
Scorpio
side.
people like really full on themselves, like
Capricorn people them not Capricorn. What your name again? Saggy people them have two faces. Jerry, what you think
whatever.
about? What you think about Saggy? What you think about Saggy?
A business people,
Yeah man, gamble, we have to gamble.
and I'm a supporter.
Me girl them sneaking for real, yeah?
So Jerry, which month you think are the best month? Like,
Economy.
I think Aquarius is the best.
When? Why see that?
I think Aquarius people is the best.
To no man them. When you no love on the man them, wanna be the best to no man them, but otherwise.
I love my mama, give my man anything.
Yeah, to the people who know second thoughts.
No, you can't say
No,
that.
I just the true Bella, you can't host a show for me summer.
Go for somebody.
Jealous people.
Yeah,
We don't
jealous, bad.
no.
They keep one partner.
Yeah.
We're liar like that.
You're jealous, I'm jealous.
But don't jealous. Aquarius. So guys, which month do you think is the best month? I'm because on a band month, but be totally honest with the month, but be totally honest with the same.
The economy has something to do with it. The state, financial problem coming by that. And blow it up.
So,
Financial problem.
Aquarius is the best on you.
Wait, me not see that. Me still a look. What them say. Everybody I say them more. You.
I know me never recognize man like that.
December, November, October. Which month?
Libra people them are Usher still.
What Libra?
Libra people them are October.
October?
Libra people them are real hustler. I mean, I tell you, when you go over. No, them are two-faced, but when you go over the hill.
Them such people are two-faced.
Some people are pussy, that's why I will change your face. But we not just change your face, you have to do something for change your face. But when you just change.
Yeah, that team I got no way.
I ain't no Libra man them.
Yeah, that team I got no way.
I ain't no Libra man them kind.
Yeah, that team I got no way.
I ain't no Libra man them kind.
What's your Aquarius in Tanis?
Well, everybody month are the best month, yes, Gerard. Yeah, Libra people, them have feelings, God, ma.
Aquarius. Aquarius are the best month.
I'm not available money. I'm not available money.
Somebody say me, oh, think them say my man don't kind. Me I just look at what you do with him, but I made them say. So them somebody said them agree with me.
There's somebody up there, somebody got something, but I went
Such a people don't fake.
Never fake. Never fake. Never fake. Cause that's what tell people who mind. We never fake. We just be real and straight. If we tell you how we feel, I tell you the mind.
Sometimes
no, but cause you know how na fuck up. So the fuck we are complaining and explain to the fuck.
Aquarius is loyal. Loyal. Well, loyal down to the boy. To the loyal.
How weak murder.
Aquarius is the best. Well, loyal. Virgo girls them too controlling. Fake. Everybody else says people.
My father is a Sagittarian, right?
Sagittarius are the realest people. We jump our back, we broke our back.
See right through.
We jump our back and broke our back for people and people.
Oh, Tani's friend come tropical rhythm. You can't get to tropical rhythm.
Good as y'all. Look good.
Oh, you not feel no tropical rhythm.
You look good, my friend. Neat and nice.
The shit.
Thank you.
Yeah, dear body. You look good. From your head to your toe. From your head. Tani's friend look good. Me can't show her. Not Aquarius man, them lie. Aquarius man lie? My man are Aquarius, I mean Aquarius, my man not lie. Jerry born Aquarius and Jerry love talk.
Where's she go?
So you never bring the yam and the banana them? Tani, some days I weapon yam and banana cause them say storm and come.
Some kind of work in the car, we can't do it. We can't get people to
When I can't get food up by you,
we can't manage them kind of
when I
work.
can't buy food, food not sell. Can't buy.
Aries man lie. So Aries, April?
Yeah, man, get that.
To them, I don't know. To them, it tells them.
Watch out, me Aquarius and me lie and cheat. Mama, you're saying Aquarius that because I'm a loyal type of girl. Me not cheat.
I clean up my house, I wash and something.
If I Sagittarian man about Aquarius, this woman will get rich.
If I Sagittarius,
I'm buying the place then free.
All me know, see, Aquarius people know, see, Aquarius people.